Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Today let us see how to use apple cider vinegar for weight loss, its benefits, its therapeutic qualities and the ways to consume the same. Let us start. If you want to have fast weight loss experience, it would be good to drink apple cider vinegar regularly for a specific period. However, excess of acetic acid can give you a burning sensation, so you may take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar mixed with 8 ounces of water and have a safe dose before your meals. In case you do not feel good about drinking apple cider vinegar directly, you can add it in your salad and enjoy a healthy consumption. 1 or 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar can indeed help your body to be in a perfect shape. Now let us see the benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar. Apart from weight loss, apple cider is perfect for your skin. It can help in curing dry skin and treat eczema. Apple cider vinegar is a proven home-based remedy as a medicine and for cooking purposes. The vinegar comes with ample healthful traits containing antioxidants and has antimicrobial properties. Moreover, there is an evidence to suggest that apple cider vinegar can help reduce cholesterol and can even help in normalizing the balance of high blood pressure and diabetes. Now let us know about the therapeutic qualities of cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is necessary for various medicinal therapies as a sort of an alternative treatment. The sugar in apple gets fermented in the making of cider vinegar, which helps in fermenting the sugar content and sets the same to a primary alcohol. Further, a bacterium converts it into acetic acid, resulting in the formation of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is highly acidic, thus too much intake may cause a burning sensation in the throat, spoil the teeth enamel and may disturb your stomach. So, read the recommended dose before starting it on a regular basis. However, long-term usage of apple cider vinegar may lead to a decline of bone health and potassium deficiency. I hope the information on apple cider vinegar for weight loss may be useful to you and may include the same in moderation to give a perfect shape and healthy body. Thank you.